BioRetec's products represent the fourth generation of bioabsorbable implants. The product's properties are based on BioRetec's patents and production process, and the ensuing freedom to determine the necessary strength and stiffness properties, absorption times, and other characteristics of the product. The experience contributed by surgeons led product development in the desired direction, with patient safety and ease of use as watchwords. The combination of the most advanced materials with the company's unique processes made the creation of these fourth-generation BioRetec products possible. They are the best that the market has to offer. The Activa pin, belonging to the Activa family of products, is a super strong pin suitable for many different indications around the body. It provides new opportunities, for instance by setting a new standard for intra-articular fixation. Its novel properties allow the pin to be used as a more affordable and quick solution for indications where screws would previously have been used. The Activa pin is a super strong pin, suitable for many different indications. The product is the result of long-term collaborative development work. The implant's functionality begins during surgery with instant locking due to the grooved surface design, and they actively contribute to improving fixation after implantation due to a self-locking property based on a hydrolytic shape memory. The product's properties create optimal conditions for bone repair, leading to better ossification. Using the Activa pin allows surgeons to attend to more patients as removal surgery is no longer needed. BioRetec has developed a product concept that allows for the aseptic use of bioabsorbable product in the operating theatre. The concept facilitates and speeds up the surgeon's work, while also optimizing safety. The Activa pin is delivered in a specifically designed holder that permits the aseptic use of the product and offers a safe and user-friendly way to attach the pin to an instrument and transport it to the operating target. Pins that do more. BioRetec.